Did you know that foggy headlights can cut your visibility by up to 50%? That's not just an eyesore, it's actually dangerous. But don't worry, because tonight we're fixing that for good. Forget those temporary hacks that last a week. In this video, I'm showing you how to restore your headlights permanently. No gimmicks, no short-term fixes, just crystal clear headlights that stay that way. So grab your tools, stick around, and let's make your headlights look brand new again. Number 1. Wet sanding and UV-resistant clear coating. If your headlights are foggy, yellowed, or just not as bright as they used to be, it's not just an aesthetic issue, it's a safety hazard. Cloudy headlights can reduce visibility by up to 80%, making nighttime driving dangerous for you and everyone else on the road. But don't waste money on temporary fixes that wear off in a few weeks. The best way to restore headlights permanently is through wet sanding and applying a UV-resistant clear coat. The headlights are covered with a protective layer from the factory, but over time, sun exposure, road debris, and weather wear it down, leaving the plastic exposed to oxidation. That's why they turn yellow and hazy. Most quick fixes like toothpaste or DIY hacks with baking soda only clean the surface temporarily, but they don't address the real problem, the degraded outer layer that needs to be removed and properly sealed. So let's fix it. Start by thoroughly cleaning your headlights with soapy water and drying them off. Then tape off the surrounding paint to avoid scratches. Now comes the real magic wet sanding. Use 600 grit sandpaper first to strip off the oxidized layer, then move up to 1000 grit, and finally 2000 grit to smooth it out. Keep the surface wet the entire time to prevent deep scratches. Once your headlights feel smooth and even, wipe them down with rubbing alcohol to remove any residue. Now, the most important step, sealing the plastic with a UV-resistant clear coat. This is what keeps your headlights from oxidizing again in just a few months. Apply multiple thin layers, letting each one dry in between. Once it's fully cured, your headlights will look brand new and stay that way for years, not just weeks like those quick fixes. So why does this matter? Well, besides making your car look better, properly restored headlights improve visibility, prevent accidents, and even increase resale value. Moreover, replacing headlights entirely can cost hundreds of dollars, while this method gets you near factory results for less than $30. Number 2. Baking soda and vinegar paste. If you need a quick and easy way to restore your foggy headlights without spending a dime on fancy kits, a simple baking soda and vinegar paste can do the trick. It's not a permanent fix, but it's a great way to improve visibility if you're in a pinch. It's completely natural, cheap, and uses ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Here's why it works. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that helps scrub away oxidation, while vinegar's acidity breaks down grime and stains. Together, they create a foaming reaction that lifts dirt and restores clarity at least temporarily. But keep in mind, this method doesn't provide UV protection, so your headlights will eventually cloud up again, especially if they're exposed to a lot of sunlight. To do this, start by mixing 2 tablespoons of baking soda with a little bit of vinegar until you get a thick, foamy paste. Apply it to your headlights using a clean microfiber cloth or an old toothbrush, scrubbing in circular motions. Let it sit for a few minutes, then wipe it off with a damp cloth and dry thoroughly. You'll instantly see a difference. Your headlights will be clearer and shinier. However, this is not a long-term solution. Since it doesn't seal the plastic, oxidation will return in a matter of weeks. For better results, you can add a layer of car wax after cleaning to provide a temporary barrier against UV rays. But if you want a truly permanent fix, you'll need to remove the oxidized layer completely and apply a UV-resistant sealant. That being said, if you're looking for a quick and budget-friendly way to make your headlights look better before a road trip or a car sale, this method is a great short-term fix. Number 3. Professional restoration kits. If you want a DIY solution that lasts longer than home remedies, but don't want to go all in with wet sanding and clear coating, a professional headlight restoration kit is your best bet. These kits are designed to remove oxidation, polish the lens, and apply a protective sealant all in one package. They're widely available online or at auto parts stores, and while they cost more than household fixes, they're still much cheaper than replacing your headlights entirely. Most kits include sanding pads, polishing compound, and a UV blocking clear coat. The process is straightforward. Clean the headlights to remove dirt and grime. Use the included sandpaper to remove the top oxidized layer. Apply the polishing compound to smooth out the surface. Seal with the UV protective coating to prevent future yellowing. What makes this method stand out is the UV sealant. Unlike baking soda and vinegar, which only clean the surface temporarily, restoration kits create a barrier against the sun's harmful rays, slowing down oxidation. This means your headlights stay clearer for months or even years, depending on how well you maintain them. However, not all kits are created equal. Some cheaper options lack a proper UV coating, meaning your headlights could start clouding up again in just a few months. Also, while these kits are effective, they require effort. You'll be sanding, buffing, and applying multiple layers, which can take time. If you're looking for a semi-permanent fix without needing professional tools, a good restoration kit is a solid investment. Just make sure to check reviews and go for one that includes a high-quality UV sealant. Otherwise, you'll be back to square one sooner than you'd like. That's all for today. If you found these methods helpful, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your fellows. Also, let me know in the comments which method you are using.